ready to cook crawfish. These are live crawfish that I picked up today at the seafood place. We've got about 10 pounds of crawfish. I am preparing the broth right now. I am doing a Cajun style type of crawfish boil. Here it is. It's not that big, but yes, this is what's going down tonight. Here's the seasoning that I'm using, the Louisiana. So the amount of water, it's like this pot is a good sized pot and I put it all the way up to here. I don't think I'm gonna cook the whole 10-pound crawfish. I probably will, cook it just enough for the amount of water I got right now. Let's see. And I will fix the flavor once the seasoning bag kind of have time to, settle in. All right, guys. Pot is boiling. I already put one bag of the, the crawfish shrimp oil bag. I taste the broth. It has no flavors. The only thing it has is the spiciness. So I will go ahead and add this to give it flavor, seasoning for seafood. Ooh, I could smell the spices already. It's very strong. Okay. Now I will probably add other ingredients to give it flavor. I don't think this will give you the flavors or give me the flavors that I like. I'm gonna start with a big spoon, this much. Let me taste it. Pretty spicy, but not flavored. I just think this has a lot more of chilies and other herbs, not like salt or the flavoring ingredients. It got celery, salt, spices, which include red peppers and black peppers and paprika. So yeah, I will start adding salt because that will give me the taste. I'm gonna start this much. I will put in corn and potatoes. Here's my potatoes. Here's my cut corn that I will cook with the crawfish. I want to get the broth flavor rich before I add those in because they don't take long to cook. And then I will add the crawfish last. ขน่อยก็สิเฮ็ดต้มกุ้งถอยหลังเนาะขน่อยก็บ่จักว่ามันเขาเจ้าเอิ้นหยังหั่นนะเฮ็ดน้ำมันก่อนแล้วจึงเอากุ้งใส่ตอนสุดท้าย Okay, we got the saltiness going. I am going to use this for flavor. Hope my daughter could have some because this is one of the stuff she likes. It's a little spicy. So yeah, I put a big spoon of the chicken broth. Okay, let me taste it. Much better. It's what I call a tasty broth. รสกับพอดีแสบเลยมันนี่ขน่อยต้องใส่อันนี้เนาะมันยังแสบคันบ่ใส่แบบมันจ้างเลยนะบ่มีรสชาติเลย And let it boil for a little bit and then I will add the corn and the potatoes and let those cook for a little bit and then I'll do the crawfish last. I will go ahead and add the corn and potatoes in. I'm happy with the flavor of the broth, so it is pretty tasty, just the way I like it. I'm going to make seafood sauce to eat with the crawfish. The Laos style or the Thai style seafood sauce, that is. Those cook for a little bit longer, and then we'll work on the crawfish. In the meantime, I will make the seafood sauce. I just went out and picked my cilantro outside. This is the one that grew. I guess every year the seeds will, you know, fall into the ground and regrow itself, so I didn't have to grow that. I'm just gonna put that in my... I got about 5 chilies in there, fresh chilies. Just a pepper and cilantro, fresh grown cilantro, MSG in there. Of course, when I cook, I put MSG, and if you guys don't like or don't eat MSG, you always could leave that out. I'm just gonna put this much, like a teaspoon. So sugar. I'll probably just do 1 big tablespoon of sugar. I need garlic, so let me get garlic. สิใส่ผักเทียมเนาะสิเฮ็ดซีฟู้ดแจ่วซีฟู้ดกินกับ crawfish เดี๋ยวนี้ขน่อยก็ยังต้มสาลี่แล้วก็ potato อยู่ก็ไก่สิสุกแล้วขน่อยจังสิเอา crawfish ลงไปแต่ก่อนนะต้องเฮ็ดซีฟู้ดซอสกันบ่มีซีฟู้ดซอสบ่แซ่บเด้เฮ็ดแบบสไตล์แบบของเฮาหั่นล่ะผักเทียม2กีบเนาะขนาดใส่เพิ่นลิ้นกับบ้านอยู่ในห้องลิ้นของเพิ่นอยู่นี่ก็เลยดำแพงสิตั้งแล้ว
Say hi.
Say hi. See his haircut? Mommy cut his hair. Can I cut for my pun? Was it yesterday I cut your hair?
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. Can I cut for my pun? ว่าสิตัดแบบให้เป็นยาวนิดนึงแต่เอาไปเอามาสันเขาแต่ลูกเพิ่นมักสันเนาะเพราะว่าเพิ่นบ่มักผมยาวเพิ่นบ่มักแบบว่ามันลงมาอันยามเพิ่นไปลิ้นนอกหรือว่าเหือออกนะเพิ่นบ่มัดนะก็เลยตัดสันเพิ่นซะ I got my pepper and the cilantro all smashed. Now I'm going to flavor the seafood sauce. I'm getting my fish sauce out, and I'm gonna use lemon. The reason I like to use lemon versus lime is, to me, lemon is not as sour, so that way I could get more sauce if I use lemon. ขน่อยมักใส่ lemon เพราะว่า lemon มันแบบว่ามันบ่สมหลายนะสำหรับขน่อยแล้วแบบย่างเฮาสิเฮ็ดซอสนะมันก็แบบได้หลายนะย่างเฮาจะเฮ็ดหลายนะคันใส่แบบไลม์เนาะมันแบบมันสมจัดนะแล้วก็ซอสมันก็บ่ได้หลายก็สิใส่หน่วยนึงเนาะ
Mama, can I close the crawfish?
You can, you want. So I got lemon squeezed in. Now I'm gonna put fish sauce. Edward, be careful with the ball, baby.
Okay.
Cologne, stir it up. Let me taste it. A little bit more fish sauce. And I think it will be good. Let's try one more time. I think it's perfect. เอาเบิ่งเนาะก็บ่อยากเฮ็ดแจ่ว seafood. Turns out I need a bigger pot we're gonna transfer it to the larger size pot. I'm gonna have my husband cook the crawfish. I'm scared. This is the size I'm transferring it into. So once you add the crawfish, the water level is gonna go up and it'll overflow. And I don't want that to happen because that would be a big mess. Okay. I guess we want to cook the whole thing or just like one at a time. How do you want to do it? Because you could still use the broth like more than one round. I'm going to use a bowl to scoop it over. All right, let's get this going. Okay, now we got plenty of room to cook the crawfish.
Hi guys.
I don't want to, goodbye, crawfish.
They're alive.
I know.
Oh, they're squirming.
That's why I'm having my husband do it. He's gonna be the one killing them, not me.
They're squirming. They're gonna come out.
Squirming.
Oh, I see them moving. They're trying.
This is not good. I think you and your sister would be a good partner. Oh my gosh, guys, let me let you look at it.
Did you write that? Did you write
Hey guys, we got the crawfish in there. Here's what it looks like. All right, I think it is cooked. I taste about 2 of them. It is good to take out. กระซุปเลยเนาะขนาดกระเทียมออกจากหม้อไปเอาอันนั้นก่อน Alright guys, here's our crawfish fest. Alright guys, I am getting ready to feast on the crawfish. Here's the seafood sauce that I made to go with it. And I'm going to have with lettuce. I'm going to do like a wrap. My husband's eating with me, but he is not going to be shown in the video because he just doesn't like to be in the video. I think we need like a plate. A plate. It's really good. It's a little spicy. I don't think my daughter could have some. It's not too spicy once you open it up. How's the corn? Is it sweet?
Yeah.
ขอหน่อยกินก่อน ใส่กับผักเนาะมันจึงแซ่บ I do like a wrap. They can't see you, but they could hear you're eating. You're chewing. I think the flavor is a little bit not as flavorful. I think once you add the crawfish and it had some water in there, it kind of dilutes the flavor a little bit. But it's good because you're dipping with the sauce, so it's not too strong. It's not much meat, it's a tiny meat. Yes, I'm actually not eating alone. Somebody's here with me, but he refused to be in the camera. You want some sauce? My special guests won't want to come sit next to me. You don't want to come sit next to me? Come on.
No.
พอของหลูกมันบ่ยอมเขาวิดีโอน้ำขนาดก็เลยนั่งอยู่คนเดียว We still got about 5 more pounds to go, looks like. Huh? You think?
Maybe.
It didn't look like a lot, but after cooking it, it's pretty
Yeah.
much. With vegetable. The kids are outside swimming. It's just us two parents inside eating crawfish. Takes time eating. Too much step to getting the meat. You don't have the patience. You probably don't want to eat this. Some will say, oh, it's too much work for a tiny meat. Alright guys, my time is adding up, so I better go. Or else somebody's not gonna have peace eating, so. Alright, thank you guys for stopping by.